Let's crack the code behind the green machines powering our planet. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process plants use to turn sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into glucose, a type of sugar they use for energy. It's like nature's recipe for making food, and it's the reason we have oxygen to breathe. Here's the basic chemical equation. Carbon dioxide plus water with a little sunlight makes glucose and oxygen. Or in science speak, CO2 plus H2O plus light energy, C6H12O6 plus O2. Let's balance it out. The full balanced equation is 6 carbon dioxides plus 6 waters plus light energy equals 1 glucose and 6 oxygens. That's 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O plus light energy, C6H12O6 plus 6 O2. So every time you see a green leaf, remember, it's not just a leaf. It's a tiny factory quietly fueling life on Earth.